Hello friends and welcome back to SmileyGaming. Today we're checking out a brand new game, Dyson Sphere Program, DSP. It's a sci-fi simulation game that has exploration, set in space, obviously, check it out. And then it also has factory automation elements, which is actually really exciting stuff. And you get to build a giant industrial empire from nothing. And you have to power it and do all that stuff. I haven't jumped in yet. I haven't checked out this game yet. I haven't watched any videos. So here we just had the trailers to go off. We're gonna jump into the new game. We're gonna start fresh. Let's jump in. What do we got here? Set destination. All right. So a space sim game, I think, is pretty new for the channel. We haven't done a space sim game yet. Cluster seed, number of stars. Okay. Lots of stars, a little bit of stars. Resource multiplier. So I'm assuming that's how good the resources are. Alright, we'll go 5 times because I'm a bit like that. We'll go max stars. The cluster seed, I think, is obviously random. Cannot change star system. Okay. So we are forced to start there. Excellent. Start game. Hold shift and right click to give a series of commands such as continue with something. Oh, look at this. Wow, that looks pretty good.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
Alright. Don't crash into the sun now. Mission over. Game over, man. Game over. But no, I saw this on the Steam Workshop, and I've been excited ever since.
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development.
Okay.
Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
You want me to drive? Oh god, I'm controlling it. Okay, are we starting here on Ito? Is that... Can we go up? Or... Oh, wait. Space is to go up. W is to go down. S does nothing. So what happens if we get super close? Are we going to crash?
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
Okay, no. We go into a little cutscene of him circling the planet before landing. Hey-oh. It's our first planet. Resources should be hella abundant because I chose ×5. You might have different resources when you start off. If you enjoy this game, go down into the description. I will have the Steam page right there. It's for me, it was about $24. For you, it might be close to $20.
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial
Hey-oh.
with powerful functionality.
Check him out.
You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement.
Okay.
In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
Icarus. Gotcha. I am Icarus. Do we have to click on?
Now try to recycle the space capsule.
Okay.
Right-click on it to recycle.
Yeah, gotcha. Hold it. One would assume, right?
You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands.
Oh, okay.
You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Okay. Inventory. Have a look. What do we get? Hydrogen fuel rod. Iron ingot. Magnet. Copper ingot. Copper ore. Ugly dougly.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to
I'm already
rotate
doing
the
that.
angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Oh, look at that. So weird. Like, how tall am I? Like, am I actually, like, super tall? Or are these planets just really tiny? Hard to tell. Can we... 11 wood. So it looks like it tells you what you'll get. Just the wood, not the plant fuel. Interesting.
Yet you have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
Bottom right. Oh yeah, down here. Oh, hello. Oh, okay. God damn, that's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. What do we got here? We got electromagnetic matrix. Can we click on it? Okay. Unlocks the matrix itself. Okay. Go into the matrix. Automatic metallurgy. Metallurgy. The smelter, of course it is. And the ability to make glass. Alright. Alright, so... I'm assuming we have to activate this one. It will need magnetic coils, which is made from 2 magnets and 1 copper, and it takes 1 second to produce 2 from said ingredients. Let's activate that. Okay. Let's so what's the replicator? What's this? Replication queue. Interesting. We have like some sort of layout here. And we have these. Can we make 10? So I think the replicator is me. Right, so I'm kind of the replicator. Oh my god, look at that. You can see everything else moving in the background. So it looks like we orbit. That's pretty awesome. Doesn't look like there's a speed up function. Looks like there's a pause function, which is good, I guess. We'll see how the machines start to move around here. Electromagnetism complete. The wind turbine, the Tesla tower, and the mining machine. Cover the fasten the mining span. Okay, so that's our miner there. Those are the components. So gear, magnetic coil, circuit board, iron. 3 seconds to produce one. Handmade in the replicator. Or the assembler, I guess. Is this...
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory, or select it on gathering of construction menu to build it.
Oh, hello.
You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grit snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Shift key, okay. So it looks like you can set commands. So you just click, 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 and then over time he'll eventually just go through the lot, which is awesome. So these are to obviously to build. So we need to build... What do we need here? Replicating queue. Can we put that in there? What do we go? Buildings? Okay, so here it says we need coal. We click, the magnetic coil. We click on the magnetic coil. Here it says we need the magnet. In order to make the magnet, we need the iron ore. So if we go find iron ore, what's this? Is that iron ore? Can we click on that? I think we have to get closer. This might just be stone, actually. Oh, what? Hang on, he flies. That's awesome. I wish he flew a bit faster. But that's alright. He flies, man. Oh, hang on. What?
Energy is required in all mecha activities.
Oh, no.
If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber.
Okay. C. Fuel chamber. Fuel rod. Oh, okay. If you hold right click, you get to choose how many you want to grab from it. Fuel power generated. Fuel chamber. That's coal. Right now we're just kind of looking for iron. What's this? Titanium. Oh, that's a step beyond me. I'm just looking for iron, man. Did we fuel up or nah? Here, down the bottom. Core energy. Ah, saw that. Make a panel inventory, detail display. Click to turn on off, require universe exploration level 1. Okay, so you can do like a find the stuff thing, but it requires some research, I guess. What's this? Upgrades. Oh my god. This one. What does it need? The matrix. It needs the matrix, man. Alright, let's go back. Electromagnetism, right? Matrix. There you go. Queuing. Let's stop that one. Stop. Can I stop it? Right click. There we go. And then queue it up again. So we need that. That unlocks the ability to do electromagnetic matrix. So I'm still looking for iron. There it is. Crystal looking stuff. So let's head over there. Oops. Let's just... What's this? Oh, okay. So it's like automatic stuff. That's awesome. Cool. Anyway, let's gather some iron here. Excellent. You can now build the mining machine. Does it take it automatically? That's crazy. So, hello, robot. Did we just do that? That's insane. Okay, we need power. So you don't need to make every individual part. You just need to have the components. Okay. Quit construction mode. Okay. Tesla. Which one does what? Wind turbine. The prototype can convert wind energy into electric energy. The actual generation capacity is related to the planet's wind energy ratio. Which is what? Unsure. Does not tell me. As far as I can see. Star map. We don't need to go that far back. Power transmitter can extend the power supply range of the power grid with a certain connection length and supply area. Alright, let's have a look at this. Let's just put it near our mine for now and see what happens.
You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
You're right here. Off satisfaction. What does it need? It obviously needs something, right? So it would need... I want to assume like core. What is this? Here we go. Power grid. Oh, okay. I think I get it. So the Tesla Tower is the power grid. So the Tesla Tower is essentially the power lines, and the wind turbine is the thing that generates the electricity. So let's find a half decent place. It looks like if it's connected, then it's good. So let's go over here and let's see what happens. Let's press C.
You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities have
Aha.
power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid.
Here you go. We're mining like crazy. So we should have built that first, then that. Doesn't matter. It's all connected now. Fantastic. So obviously right now we just want to focus on upgrading our kit and caboodle, and we'll see what happens. What's over here? Is that copper? All right. Let's see if we can make this. Not enough items. Double click to open replicator. What are we missing though? We're not missing anything. Produce. Okay. That's weird. Did we already have one of these in our inventory? Because that'd be annoying. There we go. Oh, it tells me down here if I've got more than one. So there you go. Alright, let's, how do we rotate? R? Of course it's R. Why wouldn't it be R? Let's try to get the most out of our little mining network here. So it seems like 591 is good. And then we'll go power machine, Tesla tower, double click to see what we need. So we need more stuff. So we'll produce one. Wonder why it says 3 up here. Oh, that's how many we can produce, right? That's how many we've got. Let's stop trying to build stuff. Tesla tower. Let's build one over here. We're going to have to extend the range. We're going to have to build another one, I think. Produce one more. Yeah, see, you can see what it's doing now. If we close this, does it stop the construction? No, it does not. Excellent. Let's click on that and build one there. Excellent. So we've got power happening now. So now we're getting copper and iron. They're usually the things you want first, right? I have no idea. So if we go F for the replicator, we jump over, we have a look what we need here. So it turns out we need 10 of these. We can only produce 3 because we do not have enough planks. For that we need copper ore, which we can grab out of the mining machine once it's good. It's full at 50, okay? So looks like 50 is max. And it looks like I don't have to be super close to grab it. That's even better. So let's make some more of these. Let's make, I don't know, let's make 10, see how that goes. And then we want these guys. Yep. Let's make about 10 of those as well. Then let's make about 10 of those as well. Bugger it. And then circuit boards, we need iron and that. So let's make 10 of those. Once we can build a assembler, then we should be able to do it, unless we can build it now and I haven't been paying attention. Yes, very likely. Turns out we can build 9 of these. I'd like to build 10 if that's not too much trouble. So let's see what we can learn here. So we need that, but after then we can use this, and that can then smelt, and then we've got the assembling stuff down here as well. So I think, oh, we could have done those now actually. Yeah, looking at these. Let's get rid of... we'll keep that on because we will need it eventually. So hopefully we can get enough here. F 18. Don't think I need that many. Excellent. Well, that's doing that. Let's have a little look around. There's more copper over there. There's oil there. Trees all around us. Is this the best place to set up a farm? A farm? A production line? Probably not. But no matter. So this game looks absolutely crazy. Apparently there's no combat in it now. It is an early access game, as you can see up top right there. But it will have enemies eventually. I'm expecting production lines to be massive, like super long, all that jazz. It looks like we've completed our circuit boards and stuff, so that's excellent. So that should we should be reversing that now for the matrix. And it's done. Research complete. You have unlocked the matrix lab, or rather the center brain connector, and you will use it to upload the matrices to the center brain to obtain technology. Okay, so I think that sounds like it's a way to get research. It's a way to get research. So it looks like we have main quest here. So if we follow this path, it should eventually unlock the Dyson Sphere, which I'm assuming is what you need here. Yeah, it looks like these matrices are kind of like Factorio's potion stuff. The like the science packs. It's kind of like those. Yep. So that's what it seems like here. I'm pressing escape like 60 million times, which I don't need to be. Let's go the smelter. Let's activate that. It looks like we have enough. Is that right? Unsure. And then we'll do that one too. All right, let's back up. Let's press F. All right, let's grab some more iron and more copper. Fantastic. Standing here seems all right. Why is this out of power? What's its deal? Is it because it's not daytime? Power load? Strength of the wind, 100%. Interesting. Is there too much stress on it? Is that its issue? It seems to be going all right. It does seem to be having some problems. Let's see here. We need 2 more of these. So not 9. We just need 2. Fantastic. You can what? You can use the Matrix Lab to produce Matrix. You to produce matrices and research technologies. The more the Matrix Labs, the faster the production and research speed. Okay. I'm pretty sure that was telling me we just unlocked the smelter here. Excellent. High temperature smelting ore. Okay, so why we got that? Now we need cogs, gears. Yeah, gears and circuits. So let's have a look at that. So more of these. We produce 2. We need that. So what? 4, and then that should give us 8. And then gears down here should give us 1 each. So we need 10. So let's just go all the way up to 10. Fantastic. So yeah, it does look like it does the originals first. So it would do those and then it would do the gear. Excellent. What is this? Stone. How interesting. Alright, it's moving along now. Fantastic. I don't want to place down anything just yet until I know what the assembler can produce. Visually, this game looks quite amazing. It does look really good. Here we go. You have unlocked the assembly machine. You can make iron and copper ingots into more advanced products, but its speed is slower. By upgrading technology, you can get a faster assembler. So slower than, I'm assuming, me building it by hand. Inventory. Let's grab another one of these. Sorry, C. No, not those. One of these. Put that in the fuel chamber. I'm assuming if we put one of these in here, it's like a backup. Yeah, okay. So I'm kind of hoping the assembler will be able to produce energy cores. So it looks like all these objects in the way are no issue. But we're going to place that there. Excellent. And then I guess we place the smelter next to it. So what happens if we put it there? Get a
You
test.
built a smelter, which can smelt basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically. While you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously, you need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Okay. Where are they? Do I have them? I'm going to assume no, I don't have them. Dismantle facility. I don't want to do that. Did I finish that tower? I did. We can put it there. Excellent. So let's see what so press this and then we can select the recipe and then this will do it automatically for us. If we come over here, select recipe, and then it's only the things we have unlocked. I mean, that kind of makes sense. Excellent. You can now build a matrix. Yeah, I know. All right, let's have a look. Let's see what other things we've got in here. Click to view upgrade research. Able to view the veins distribution on the planet. Electromagnetic matrix. So it seems like the matrix is the one you want, right? So let's try to do this then. So let's I don't know, let's put it here. Hopefully that energy is enough for it. It's probably
Matrix
not.
Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require them to unlock. The super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the home world. You could upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the home world simultaneously.
Okay, I kind of have no idea what the hell he was just talking about, but that's fine. That's fine. So, do I have to put things in here? Is this... Okay, and then I can put circuit board in here? Is that how this works? Component? I know, let's just go 4 for now. It looks like we need some sort of conveyor belt stuff. So let's go check out technologies. Logistic systems. They usually have stuff. There you go, conveyor belt, the sorter, and the storage mark 1. We will do that instead of this one. Yep, remove thyself. I pressed too many buttons. I do that. There we go. Now we're getting some conveyor belts happening. So just before we start throwing stuff into the lab here. We will, no, not V. V's a bit intense. F. So we need more components. I think we're going to need more ore at a certain point. We'll leave it in there for now. Eventually we could probably just feed them back over here. So it looks like the conveyor belts auto slot into the sides of the machines here, which is pretty good. That's not too bad. What's going on here? Is it just telling me I'm missing some stuff? Yeah, that's fine. That makes sense to me. How do we go? Okay, so now we need some gears. Hand automation, hand crafting is always annoying, but it should definitely spike up once we start laying down some machines. The question is, can we pick up machines and move them? That is the question. So it looks like this can't make everything, but this can. Yeah, so this can make the first stuff. This makes the second stuff. Excellent. All right, almost there. When you're ready. One more. Beautiful. Basic logistics systems. Conveyor belts. Oh my god. Let's have a look.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
Oh my god. Automatic smelting. Check that out. Alright. So, because we've got two here, I believe these only pop out from the back. What is that sound? It must be the machine. Must be the miner. Yes. We've definitely laid out unorthodoxly here. We should put this over here. Can we move it? Don't think we can. It does look like it's auto given us some conveyor belts, which is always good. Sorter. And it hasn't given us a storage. It looks like we'll need to put a miner on stone. So let's go buildings. Let's go mining facility and produce one. Excellent. And we're going to need some more iron. So let's see if we can loop this around. Used to store products, but the capacity is limited. That's alright. So I'm getting like Factorio vibes. Let's have a look here.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Wow. That's insane. I love that. I love that automation there. And we've got like little symbols on these guys. That's awesome. Can we pick these up? All right, we're in construction mode. Shift. Hey, oh, stop it. Lift one level, don't snap, convert. Put item back. Well, it definitely didn't move it. Okay, we get him back. Excellent. I was a bit concerned there. Do we get this back? We do. That's beautiful. Excellent. So we can completely swap up our little system here. That's beautiful. Fantastic. Let's B. Construction mode, okay. So let's have a look here. So now we need the mining. So we'll put the gatherer here. We'll flip it on its face here. We'll do that. We've actually got two more of these. So we'll put this one here. We'll grab the conveyor machines and we'll bring it over here. Excellent. And we'll bring this one over here as well after we build some more. F, conveyor belts. It produces 3, so this would give us 30. Don't know if that's enough, but we'll find out. I love these little robots that come out and start throwing stuff at you. That's awesome. Can we put this down? What is this? All right, so it looks like the plant fuel is what gives us. So plant fuel gives us 0.5. Okay, so that will keep us alive for a bit. And wood gives us 1.5. Okay. So we ourselves are like a furnace. I guess. Like a bio furnace. So let's have a look at our... Are we still building? We are. We're now building the conveyor belts. Let's come over here. Let's have a look at our production lines here. So we want the smelters. Oops, daisy. If we click on this. Hang on, what's that little symbol over there? You see that? What's this? Are we collecting that soil? I hope not, because that's a lot of soil. All right, let's build 2 chests. We can't. We need more stone. Is that right? Or do we need more iron? I don't think we need more iron. That's a lot. Oh my god. Let's just get into production here. So let's... Can we do both? No. So if we go build mode, construction mode, sorry. Shift click on it. And we should be able to... How about we just dismantle it? Yeah. See, I'm over here trying to move it. We don't have to move it. Well, based off this, I love this grid. This grid is awesome. It really makes it easy to see what you're doing. So let's go smelter. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. Fantastic. Do we have to shove the... Collides with another object. Where does it go in? Does it have a specific spot, or does it have to be powered first? Does it have to have a recipe? Oh man, so many things. Tesla Tower. Oh right, we've got to put all our power back. So let's put that over there. Let's put that there, and that there. All right, so now can we connect them? Okay, so why not? Sorta. Ah, of course, it's one of those. One of them games. What a fool. Hang on, let's move all that. Move all that. Grab this. Sure, put it there. Put it there. Let's see how far the sorter goes out.
The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
Hang on, what? Infinity trips. What? Oh my god. Too far. Okay. Okay, well, let's get a bit closer. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, let's see what that does. So we put that there, put that there. That looks like it's pushing out. But I want it to take. If we dismantle that, go sorter, we click on this, and then click on that. Okay, now it's pushing in. Excellent. Okay, let's grab this one. Come down here. Do the same. Click to double click to build. Put that there, put that there. Excellent. So that's iron. Come over here. Change this. Go iron. Excellent. Let's go this one. Choose copper. Fantastic. Are we making? Ladies and gentlemen, we are making. Oh my god. I cannot believe it.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
What? Are we out of power? We will get more power. Or am I out of power? Do not know, but we will make another Dyson wind turbine, sorry. Oh man, there's so much happening in this game. It's insane. I think we're gonna need to go cut down some trees. So let's shift click a whole bunch. Shift click, shift click. Let's open this up. We'll get as much energy as we can before we break down. I don't know how it works, but that's just what I'm doing. . All right, there we go. Okay, we should have the other wind turbine now. Let's have a look. Too close to another wind turbine. That's all right. Build that over here. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're getting power now. Two seems to be good. How much does it output? Wow, its power load is all over the place. That is insane. All right, so now if we get the assembler, we can actually see what it needs in order to make certain items. So if we get the matrix, we have a look at what it needs. We'll just place it down. Here we go. So this needs, what's that? Magnetic coils. So it needs magnets and copper. And this one needs one of each, right? So copper and iron. Oh, so much logistical engineering. I've never been really good at factory games, I'll tell you that much, but I give them a crack. So I need some of this. I think we put them on a conveyor belt. Yeah. Alright, so let's let's decimate those. Decimate, you heard me? Let's grab. I'm sensing an issue. Is it only just one conveyor belt? As an example, can we put 2 conveyor belts onto the one thing? What's this? A splitter. Chest, yeah. Steel. Purification. Fluid storage. You can get water. Water pump, yeah, you can get water. High efficiency plasma control. A prism. Plasma exciter. Okay. Cite them plasmas. Electromagnetic drive for the motor. Interesting. Very cool if you ask me. What's this? Max energy core. Okay, that's pretty cool. We could probably do that. So if we just put down the assembly machine over here as an example, and let's say we wanted it to grab the iron, which will come down this path. Is there a radius around us that it needs to be close by? Maybe. Logistics sorter. It does. It goes over. That's fantastic. That's excellent. That's a great way to think over that. And we can just pick and choose what we want. So if we want to make magnetic coils, we need magnets and copper. So I think the smelter can make those.
You can now click the planet thumbnail button in the lower left corner of the screen.
Can I just
press the M key to try the planet view mode?
Ah, planet view mode. Gotcha. So components, magnets. Let's go. So obviously it needs iron. Yes. Logistics, sort, iron. Lovely. Downside is, of course, it needs energy. So I'm gonna build one. Oh, pushing all the buttons here. All right, and we've got a Tesla tower, I believe. If not, we will produce one. Wow, we just straight up produced that. Okay. Power. So let's go Dyson. Not Dyson, I keep saying Dyson. It's just a wind turbine followed by a Tesla tower. And that should give us power. And this should be making. Is that right? Why not? Lack of material. If it grabbed it, it would have it. Yep. I just realized it needs iron ore. We'll run back over here where it's pumping out the iron ore, and we'll use that to make the magnets instead. So if we go where are we at? Production, smelter, put it kind of in there, grab that, click that on there. We're going to need the power, so grab the Tesla factory, and that should start making magnets. Again, no power because these things are weird. Too close to another wind turbine. Of course it is. Put it there. Why are we out of energy? No. We still got wood. There you go. Is this making now? It is. Excellent. So now we have magnets. Magnets and copper will make us the magnetic coil. So, oh me. So if we put this over, sure, right there. Will this sort of reach? Probably not. Can probably make some first. Let's make 5. Connector. Will it reach? It does not. It is too far. That's alright. That makes sense to me, I guess. Magnetic coil. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. Hopefully this sort of reaches. Too far. Mate. Why? What makes it too far? How many spaces does it reach though? Obviously, the more further it is, the less it will reach. Well, let's see if we can move that. I feel like this is taking us way too long. Well, that's alright. There is no rush. Let's push it back one more. Am I doing this the right way? Doubt it. Does it matter? Nah, it doesn't. I think we're gonna have to push everything down one more. There we go. And these two should be able to, oh, this way to this way. And then let's grab our chest and we can put that there. And then we can sort it from here to here. Fantastic. Now let's make magnetic coils and here make magnets. Let me guess it doesn't reach. It does. Excellent. Alright. So once these start making the magnetics, these should start pumping out. And we should start pumping out the magnetic coils. And there they are. Excellent. Our first janky ass construction line that runs on weird power. That's not really efficient. But that's just the game for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the episode. I hope you enjoyed the game. If you enjoyed what it looks like and you haven't seen it on Steam yet, go down in the description. Link will be right there. And you can go check it out for yourself and give it a go. It's pretty cheap. It is an early access. So I don't know if you're a fan of early access games or not, but it is early access. And they say it's going to be early access for about a year, but this game looks fantastic. If you guys like the game and enjoy it, I will consider doing more episodes on it. We've only just begun. We've only scratched the surface of what the game has to offer. They say it's got 100 hours of content. That's a lot of content for an early access game. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw, and I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day. Peace.